Are you tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the incredible Apple AirTag. What makes AirTag special is its groundbreaking precision finding, powered by Ultra Wideband technology. If you own an iPhone, it literally points you directly to your lost item, showing exact distance and direction, even if it's under a couch cushion. Setting up your AirTag is unbelievably simple. A single tap on your iPhone instantly pairs it, making it ready to track in seconds. This seamless integration with your Apple devices truly sets it apart from other trackers. And don't worry about everyday mishaps. These little trackers are IP67 water and dust resistant, so a splash or dusty adventure won't stop them. Beyond its robust build, the AirTag leverages Apple's vast Find My network. Millions of Apple devices around the globe anonymously help locate your item, ensuring unparalleled tracking range. For anyone searching for the best Bluetooth tracker or a reliable way to protect their valuables, the Apple AirTag is an absolute game changer. If you're ready to simplify your life and stop losing things, click the link below to grab your own AirTag 4-pack on Amazon today. I wholeheartedly recommend the Apple AirTag for its precision, ease of use, and the peace of mind it brings. It's easily one of the smartest and most essential electronics you can invest in for 2025.